can do this. We can create anything we want when we change our thinking. Now, let me go further with the other points, because this was inspired by Andrew Carnegie. Andrew Carnegie, do you know Carnegie Hall? Right? So we all know him as extremely wealthy. Well, he started as a worker in the steel factory. Okay? And by applying these steps, he allowed himself to acquire, hundreds of millions. So it has no sense to say, well, this is not for me. Well, if you believe it's not for you, then this is not for you. Then yes, you will create it, right? Because 95 of our results are created by a subconscious mind. If you believe you're not able to, what do you think is going to happen? 95% for certainty you will, definitely. So this is your responsibility, okay? It's your responsibility. It's not your fault. This is not your fault, okay? It's your responsibility right now. Okay, so point 6, read your written statement aloud twice daily. Once just before retiring at night and once after rising in the morning. As you read, see and feel and believe yourself already in possession of the money. All right? Repetition and feelings, okay? See, if you are able to think a specific way, a poor man's thoughts doesn't reflect the reality of a rich man. So the subconscious mind, it doesn't matter whether it's true or not. It just recreates what you believe. That's the energy, 95% of everything you do. So when you keep on affirming, focusing on, just repeating this over and over again till the resistance in your body resides, then you will take the actions that allow you to achieve the results. So it is important that you follow the instructions described in these 6 steps. It is especially important that you observe and follow the instructions in the 6th paragraph. Okay, that means the point number 6 that I just read. Read your written statement aloud twice daily, once just before retiring at night, and once after rising in the morning. As you read, see and feel, and believe yourself already in possession of the money. Okay, you may complain that it is impossible for you to see yourself in possession of money before you actually have it. Here is where a burning desire will come to your aid.